A peaceful rural village during a gentle rainstorm, featuring a traditional tin roof house surrounded by swaying palm trees and a rustic corrugated metal fence. Raindrops create ripples across the wet courtyard, while soft wind moves the leaves naturally. The camera slowly walks forward with smooth handheld cinematic motion, capturing realistic rain, reflections on the ground, and an overcast sky. Ultra photorealistic, natural colors, atmospheric mood, 4K HDR, realistic water physics, soft ambient rain sounds, shallow depth of field, volumetric lighting, highly detailed textures, cinematic color grading, immersive documentary style, vertical 916, viral social media quality, location Joyguru Falimari, West Bengal, India.